I am a returning customer of this, so I'm super happy to have received this, and I cannot recommend this enough. It is silky soft, it is skin friendly, it is cooling, glossy, all of that good stuff. So I want to give you guys a close look of it before purchasing, so you can make that decision yourself. I do really wish that you are able to feel how soft and silky this fitted sheet is, and I'm going to tell you all the things. So as I said, silky smooth, 15-inch deep pockets, and elastic strap, so it stays securely in one place on thicker mattress. Like you can see on mine, it is extremely thick, no slipping, no bunching. It's wrinkle resistant and durable, holds up well after washing with minimal filling, and I just love the bamboo. Gives such a soft, luxurious feel, perfect for sensitive skin. The only con is, yes, it is just a sheet and it might vary in color.